In this video, you'll learn how to download your Qatar Airways ticket in just a few minutes so you always have it ready when you need it most for your trip. First, open your browser and go to qatarairways.com. Click the Manage Booking tab at the top of the homepage. This is the fastest way to access your reservation and download your e-ticket from the official website. Next, enter your booking reference, also called the PNR, along with your last name. Click Retrieve Booking, and your full reservation will instantly appear, showing all your flight details and ticket options. Now, look for the Download or Email Itinerary button. Click it to download a PDF copy of your ticket directly to your device. You can also choose to receive a fresh copy by email if needed. After that, save the ticket somewhere easy to find, like a travel folder on your phone or computer. You can also print a paper copy if you prefer having a physical version of your ticket with you. Once your ticket is saved, you can also access it through the Qatar Airways app. Sign in or use your booking reference. Tap My Trips, and your ticket will be ready to view, share, or download anytime. And that's it. Your Qatar Airways ticket is now downloaded and ready for your journey, no matter where you are.